Would you like to know a secret about dent repair and insurance? When your car is damaged by hail, collisions, or any kind of bad luck, your insurance company will appraise the damage and refer you to a repair facility they have a partnership with. But did you know their referral is only a suggestion? Choosing who fixes your vehicle is your right. And given the choice, would you prefer a large American-owned chain or a locally owned Canadian business with a lifetime guarantee and a team made up of fully accredited and licensed professionals with years of experience? Yeah, we thought so. The choice is obvious. Take the approved estimate from your insurance company to DENTologist at our incredibly convenient near downtown location. We can work directly with any insurance company, and with unbeatable service backed by a lifetime guarantee, we make the best decision into an easy one. It's your choice. Why not choose local? Refer a friend and receive up to a $250 gift card after we repair the hail-damaged vehicle. DENTologist. Exceptional customer service and quality work long after the storm has passed.